Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better.
Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome back to another episode of JVLOGS. But today, what I really want to talk about is the United Airline situation. Yes, I know a lot of YouTubers talk about it, vloggers talk about it. It's everywhere over the internet. If you don't see it, probably you're living under a rock or under a tree or something. But if you haven't heard about it, a gentleman was pulled off the airline. He paid for his seat and he was dragged off, you know, face slammed in the armrest and stuff like that, and he was bleeding. He's a doctor and all type of stuff. But you know, I don't want to get into more details with that because it's too played out now. But the thing that I want to talk about is the memes. The memes surrounding this situation. Because I like humor and I love to laugh, and whenever this situation comes, just like the Pepsi situation, where the memes, you know, swing left and right, and people, you know, had their own videos and reaction to it and stuff like that, you know, those were funny for me. So for me personally, I like to take serious situation like this, and I like to take the humor out of it. So this is the whole serious part of it, the politically correct people and discrimination, all type of stuff. They're over here. And then you have the humor side where people make memes and people make video and they twist it and they turn it into something funny. I know it's serious and I know the importance of it, but just the humor of it. I love this section over here, the humor section over here, and the memes. I'm going to put up some of the memes for you guys to see. Boom. Yes, so these memes, I find them really, really funny. I was like dying of laughter last night. It's just crazy, you know, how people, like, for over the past 5 years, memes have gotten so popular now that memes can actually, you know, create a whole storm for an organization. You know, whenever they carry out their madness, you know, people just hit the internet and, you know, their creativity comes alive and they create these memes to mock these institutions or mock these people. And, you know, for us consumers, we find it funny and we just enjoy that and we share it and we laugh. We know it's serious, but I think there's so much things that's going on right now in society, so much things that, you know, going on in people's life on a day-to-day basis where a lot of us are stressed out, a lot of us are not working, you know, so we have an avenue where we can actually filter all of this sadness and anger and rage and frustration by laughing. You know, so whenever you're depressed, they say try to laugh, you know, try to talk about it and stuff. So I think these memes is just an avenue to de-stress a bit, to laugh about stuff and just enjoy life, you know, for what it is. So, you know, let me know what you think about the memes, and let me know what you think about the United situation. You know, I know they're wrong. There's no justifying dragging off a passenger who already paid for their seat on the plane. If it was me personally and they're offering money, you know, I would probably want them to go up more. Say I pay $400 for the ticket and they're offering $1,200, yes, and I'll take it, and free hotel and stuff like that. I've never taken United Airline before. My airline is JetBlue. I've only taken American Airline, I think, twice, but JetBlue is my airline. I love their service. I love their Wi-Fi, you know, and the movies that they have on, you know, in-flight movies. It's really good, you know, the seats, you know, it's a good airline. It's a good airline. I really like them. United are too expensive, and then they don't give you free luggage. JetBlue now have their internet is their website is structured in a way that you can choose if you want to just carry your carry-on or your personal item, or you want the luggage and more bags and stuff like that. They have that structured out, and the prices are different, so you actually see what you're paying for, and it's clear. There's no trickery to it and going in circles and trying to, am I carrying bag, and you have to make phone calls. These other airlines, they hide these things, and then you figure out that, when you actually reach the airport you have to pay for luggage. JetBlue have that line out for you, so I really like that with JetBlue. So it's more refined, and it's just a good airline, and I've never had problems with them before. So yeah, that's my take on the whole United situation and the memes. I just love the memes. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Thanks for watching JVLOGS. I'm Mark. Yeah, enjoy the rest of your day. I'm out.